Why did the Northerners go carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya? And why is Nigeria government interested in bringing down anything called Biafra? Why are they trying to sow the seed of hatred between we and our brothers? So that you go, if somebody talk Biafra for your ear, you will say that person, carry this Biafra, come out for here. Why are the federal government of Nigeria are interested of doing all those things to stop that fight that our grandfathers fight to make sure that we have a better life? In this video, we are going to explain the reason why. But first, we are going to look back, from the beginning of the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how the arrangement was made and the reason why they get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And we are going to review the treatment Nigeria government are treating Boko Haram and the romance they are romancing each other as well. Please share this video and make sure say you watch from beginning to end. And we are going to also release the response people of Biafra in the street. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time where they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back. I see they hot. We go nowhere. So my people, we are going to look into this video today. When the Northerners come together, the coalition of Northerners came together, the what are they calling it? Finâlly, Hesmel, Mieti, Allah. They come together and played a band on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's head. I want us to watch this video and we will come back, continue.
You see, we should have known that something was in the offing when a group of people came out and announced 100 million naira bounty on Nnamdi Kanu. Oh yes, we should have known there was a plan. Watch.
We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira as an offer to anyone who can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive.
Yeah. Did you know that a group of people in Nigeria can come together and do something like that? Did you know? I didn't know that. I didn't know it's possible. That is lesson number 1. Write it down. You learn from the North. You know, they were emphatic about how they wanted Nnamdi Kanu arrested. Play it out.
Please take note. Whoever can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty, uninjured.
Yes, baby. And that was exactly how Nnamdi Kanu was produced in court. Here is the next thing the man said. Play.
For onward delivery to security agencies for his continuous prosecution.
Yes. Next time another shekau rises in the North and starts burning down churches and destroying businesses of people from the South, instead of praying for God to intervene, people should place a bounty on his head. Learn from the North. Just a minor question. The UN said the other day that Boko Haram had killed over 350,000 Nigerians. Look at the headlines. Yes. Now, and the majority of these people killed, they were from the North. If they had this money, you know, why didn't they put 1 billion naira on the head of Abubakar Shekau? Why? Okay, I know. They were afraid that when captured and sent to the government, he could repent, you know, and the government will release him. And he could even be Nigeria's president tomorrow. They were afraid of that. Learn from the North.
An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and comes back, turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country.
Yeah, he said it. Here is another lesson. Watch.
Every property of any northerner that has been destroyed we are saying that the government of those states that those incidents happen must pay our people.
Get out of here, man. Is that even possible? Why didn't all of you Southerners know this? That you can demand for compensation. Why?
You must pay compensation.
Wait. Let us count how many times Southerners have been attacked in the North. Let's count them. Can you? The list is endless. Jos, 1945. Kano, 1950. This were before independence. Oh yes. All of northern Nigeria, 1966. All of northern Nigeria, 1967. Kano, 1980. Maiduguri, 1982. Jimate, 1984. Gombe, 1985. Kaduna and Kafanchan, 1991. Bauchi, Katsina and Kano, 1999. Zango Kataf, 1992. Bauchi, Katsina and Kano, 1991. Zango Kataf, 1992. Funtua, 1993. Kano, 1994. And so on and so forth. Hey, so many. Almost every year since then.
You must pay compensation.
And as a show-off, the man reminded us that he is a master of dramatic irony. Watch him.
We will no longer tolerate the destruction of properties of our people anymore. If not, we have done it in the past, we will do it again.
Hey! Oh, who did this to us? Who did this to us?
Okay, my wonderful people, you're welcome back. This video is going to be the best video you watch. Maybe you are one of those who sold that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You may repent and look for solution, because now is money. It's very, very early right now. But the question that I want to ask here is that you that sold at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what have been your achievement and what has been your gain? Are you enjoying the money peacefully? The answer is no. But I also want to show you how the Northerners are treating their terrorist, which is Boko Haram, which they created, Boko Haram. And I also want to remind you that the Northerners have created another security of the Islamic stuff, another security, police inside Nigeria government in the North. So that police security they created is the same way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created ESN, so that ESN will protect and guide our forests. Small, they are wiping the name of ESN. Be wise and think twice before you do anything. But however, I'm going to show you this video of how the North are treating Boko Haram. Then we'll come back and continue.
Sheikh Gumi is able to trace these bandits to their hideouts and meet with them. Why is it difficult for the Nigerian intelligence community or the Nigerian military to be able to know where these bandits are?
They know.
They know?
They know where they are. They see them by aerial views. They have intelligence among them. I've met a herdsman. I met a herdsman who is part of the internal security. They all know. But the problem, I think now the military has learned its lesson. The first approach they had, when they go in and start killing, they realize it's the wrong way. And they realize they are producing a monster. So they are now very careful, watching and studying and seeing how they come about it. The only element now I'm adding value to it is that, look, don't just wait out, just don't wait and watch. Go in and negotiate.
So, I mean, if you look at what is happening right now, you see a situation where some military or security consultants who have told me and said, look, what we see in these bandits or what we see these killer herders, there's some kind of Boko Haram. Do you think that these killer herders or these militants, as you call them, are some form of Boko Haram or some element masquerading as bandits who are really Boko Haram?
I can say categorically they are not Boko Haram, but we have to be very careful. Because if the pressure is too much, being Boko Haram more international, more connected, maybe richer. If the pressure is too much, I'm afraid they can be influenced by Boko Haram. And there we have seen the signs that Boko Harams want to infiltrate them. But so far they are not Boko Haram. They are ready to lay down their arms. And there's an incident that happened in Zamfara during the former regime. The Fulanis themselves caught some few elements of Boko Haram and presented them to the government. Boko Haram, they're trying to preach to them that, so they are not Boko Haram now. I'm telling you, they're citizens, they recognize the government, they recognize authority. Boko Haram doesn't recognize nobody except themselves as the sole sovereignty, you see. So we are happy now that Boko Haram is not in, and that we should step in quickly and give them the true Islam, which is Islam of peace, Islam of no compulsion in religion, Islam of compassion, Islam of mercy. We have to show them that. And this is exactly what I'm trying to achieve.
Okay, welcome back. As you have watched that video, I hope you have learned something now. This is Boko Haram that have by more than 300 Nigerians, and this is how the North are romancing and treating their own. So my question now goes to President General of Iwanya Wating, Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, Hope Uzodimma. I'm going to even call the past governors of from Southeast, Okozie Ikpeazu, Willie Obiano, and Emeka Ihedioha. Hope Uzodimma is still there. Emeka Ihedioha, which they quickly remove him with Rochas Okorocha them. So the one of Enugu State, current and old. So the question is, these people, are you people watching these videos? Are you really seeing those comments that Northerners are making on terrorists, that's bandits and Boko Haram? I hope you guys are watching. Then what do you people see in Nigeria that you can't stand on your own and ask for your total freedom? Yeah, this is what we call Okochichi. If Biafra come today, Nnamdi Kanu is not going to be the head. It can't happen. Then if Biafra come today, so Imo, Anambra will be this one, that one. But all those things is nonsense. Ndị Igbo made this added, they say that azota ala achọwa ji a ga-akọnye n'ime. Azụta ute abi achọwa ebe ga-ediga ala. So the question is, the people of Biafra have taken their destiny by their hand, and you people cannot stop them. You think that holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop this agitation? It's not going to stop it. Someone you people don't even know are warming up to rise with full force again. I'm going to show you this video. You also hear the response of people in the streets.
On this fight that we are not backing down. None other has been passed. We want to prove to the so-called Nigerian terrorist state that there is a government in Biafran land. So if they doubt it, let them continue to push their terrorists into that land. Then they will see where they will end up.
There are so many messages that I want to pass here, but it will be long. So one also said that Nigeria known the best thing, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and go for dialogue. I believe that other Nigerians are watching closely of what is happening. Because when the people react tomorrow, no one should blame them. They have waited patiently for more than 4 to 5, 6, 7 years so that there will be peace. Peace separation, peace divide, everybody go his way. They ignore the Igbos, and the so-called Igbo elite are romancing with these people, thinking that political ways is the solution, thinking that these people will obey and listen to them. Even when they make a statement, they don't even regard them as. But if the Northerners make a statement, you see Nigeria will be running helter-skelter. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.